Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see how to make Schezwan chicken restaurant style. Take 250 grams of chicken cubes. I'm taking here boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. 1 spoon of sesame oil. You can take any oil, but sesame oil tastes better. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add an egg. Mix all the ingredients very well. Add 1 spoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and keep aside for about 10 minutes. For doing Schezwan chicken, we need 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic pieces, chili sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup, dark soy sauce, diced 1 onion and 2 capsicum pieces and 3 slit green chilies. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add chicken pieces to it and fry them until golden brown. Keep stirring on a high flame continuously until they are golden brown in color. You can see the change in the color as you fry about for 5 minutes continuously. At this stage, add chopped ginger pieces and garlic pieces. Fry until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic pieces disappear. Add green chilies and diced onion pieces and fry until the onions are softened. At this stage, add capsicum pieces and fry them well. Add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce, a dash of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of chili sauce. All the sauces contains lot of salt, so there is no need to add any extra salt for this dish. Be very careful. Now add 1 spoon of black pepper powder, quarter glass of water. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add little water and make a slurry out of it and just add it to the Schezwan chicken. Mix continuously for about 5 to 10 minutes on a high flame. That's all. Your Schezwan chicken is ready to serve hot. Serve hot as a starter and enjoy. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.